In this tutorial, you will learn how to use the Shake to Undo feature. But before we start, take a moment to subscribe to our channel and make sure to press the bell button to be the first to know about our new videos. This feature can have many different applications depending on what app you are using. For example, you can shake to undo to bring back deleted text, or shake to undo to bring back a deleted email message. Shake to undo also works with cutting or pasting text. You can also redo the task by shaking again. If you, however, prefer to not use this feature, just go to Settings, General, Accessibility, Shake to Undo, and turn off the Shake to Undo toggle. Did you know about the multiple ways to use the Shake to Undo?